Hello everybody, we're doing a quick test now before we sign off all the equipment for the live streaming. So I just basically want to just do for a few minutes is show you what we've done and what you can expect from the live streaming. So what you're currently seeing me on is corner cam. So we've got a webcam fixed set up in the corner of the pod. You can see the paint pod here, and if I come in a little bit closer you can see some of the stuff I'm going to have to wear while I'm painting. So we've got the chest cam, which is a GoPro running from HDMI into USB, plus battery pack, plus harness, plus microphone, which is wireless, so it's on a wireless transmitter to the PC, which you'll see in a minute, plus the microphone stuff which is in the back, and I've got other stuff in my utility belt, which is kind of a cool thing. So lots of things attached to me at the moment. Anyway, so that's just to try and get the audio and the power sorted out to the GoPro. So that's camera number one, which is corner cam. If we then go on to the overhead, ladies and gentlemen, and we've got, oh look, I'm caught up already. Right, hopefully the audio is still good. Hello, we've got to sort the autofocus out, so don't leave me a comment about autofocus. We're going to get that absolutely sorted out, all right, so that it's just static down there, okay. But basically, ladies and gents, what you're going to see when we start the live streaming is, look, this is me actually doing painting. And now I think you can see the chest cam. Yay, chest cam rocks. So this is what's pretty much given us the majority of the headaches so far. But when I say live painting, live streaming, and being close to the action, look, this is what I actually mean. You are going to be right at the thick. That's me touching the canvas. So you can imagine pouring paint and moving it and doing all that kind of stuff. You know, if I'm saying this is how we're going to do it, I want to show you how it's done. I'm actually going to show you what I do and how I do it. So I think whatever your interest level is in art, this is going to be just off the scale cool. Now, if you can go to the corner cam. The one downside I've currently got is because of transmitting signals is I've got to have this big umbilical cord, this big cable around me, so I've got to make sure I don't garrot myself or trip up, which is going to be it's going to be quite funny, isn't it, if I do that. Anyway, that's beside the point. So yeah, the whole point of this is because I want to get you close into the action and show you exactly what's going on. Now, control-wise, there's my main man, there's AD, give us a wave, hello. So there is the base station, so a brand new computer under the desk to cope with multiple video signals being processed at once. Can't really see what's going on, but it's got a nice red LED light in it. And I've got a nice orange chair because that's my favourite colour. Woohoo! Fantastic. And we've also got, so we've got a monitor at the top so we can monitor the physical output. And then I'll have an iPad inside the pod. You can see here is the membrane which will be closed. In fact, it's just rolled up. If I bend backwards, there you go. So the flap will be rolled down. I'll be in here. I won't be able to see AD, but I'll have the live feed from YouTube and from when we do it on Twitch. I'll be able to see exactly what's happening. So the other thing I've noticed, the stream deck, which is that there. So AD will cycle through that, look, and it gives you the, I'll just tilt the camera up a bit. There we go. Now he can cycle through, there you go. So that's chest cam, overhead, multiple or whatever it is, and then we'll hopefully see chest cam back again. If you go, there you go. So if he goes to all cameras now, there you go. So that's me in the corner. That's me in the corner. Who likes a bit of REM on a Wednesday afternoon? Okay, so that's the control station. So I've been running cabling everywhere today, and in the corner you can see the webcam in the corner with a lovely bit of timber to hold it all together. Fantastic. And that kind of stuff. And then we've had to put cabling through the membrane of the pod with some vulcanized rubber and all that kind of stuff. There's the clean room in the pod, which is where AD's going to sit when I get changed. So I take the umbilical cord and go back again. Feels like I'm doing a lunar moon landing or something, doesn't it? Very bizarre. So a couple of little things to sort out, but we hope the audio's better now because we were trying the audio all morning and we're on high def audio now with a decent lavalier mic. So hopefully that's the audio sorted out. I can still see the green bars going, which is really good. And that's the technical setup so far. I mean, it doesn't look a lot, does it? But by God, it's taken us 5 weeks to get this far. So I genuinely think, no matter what your interest of art is that, you know, whether you like abstract or not, please tell your friends, give us a subscribe, give us a like, definitely give us a thumbs up. But stay tuned to the channel, and I genuinely mean that, because we've got some amazing things planned. And what I'm going to do with paint and canvas in here, I just genuinely think there's nobody going to do this anywhere on the interweb, and we've been searching around looking for stuff to do that's unique, and I just think this is going to be such a riot and such a hoot when we get around to doing it. And if you was on to all cameras for me then, buddy. The other thing is when we're going to do it, and I think, you know, ultimately, ladies and gents, we're going to be doing this, you know, on an evening time, so don't worry about being at work or anything else like that. Probably 6:30 in the evening, or maybe 8 or 9 o'clock in an evening, so you have to sit down, you know, with your iPads or your iDevices or whatever, or your other tech, and you'll be able to actually just sit down and watch somebody doing some crazy stuff, you know. And I are going to be doing some real crazy stuff and really interesting things. And the great thing about this is you can interact with it. So if you've got questions, or you want to tell a story or whatever, you can interact with me, and I will talk to you live through the wonders of the internet, as it's being done. So I just think this is going to be mind-blowing. And again, genuinely, I haven't seen anybody else go into these lengths to do it. So I think definitely give us a subscribe, do it now, tell your friends, do it now, because this is going to be absolutely mind-blowing. Anyway, any questions, drop us a line, any feedback, drop us a line, that's fantastic. And yeah, we'll see you very soon. Adios.